Magandang oras mga kababayan, mga ka-Golden Boy. Merong mga vloggers sa India, sa Iran, sa Iraq na nagsasabi na talo na daw si Donald Trump dahil uuwi na ito after 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks. Yun ang kanilang mga narratives eh. Akala nila nag-back out si Trump dahil sinabi ni Trump na lalabas na siya sa Iran after 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks. Or he will make a lovely stay. Lovely. Ibig sabihin yan, baka gusto niyang magtagal eh. So, wag niyong galitin si Trump. Baka magtagal siya. He will have a lovely stay in Iran. Yun ang wag niyong gawin na lovely stay ha. Baka talong dadami ang sundalo dyan. Kaya hindi dahilan na natalo si Trump na siya ay uuwi. Kasi meron pala silang timeline ng Amerika na kailangan 4 to 6 weeks lang ang pag-atake nila sa Iran. Win naman talaga. Sino bang hindi natalo sa gira na Iran? Patay na yung Ali Khamenei, patay na yung kanilang Supreme God, Supreme Lord at Supreme Leader. Patay na lahat ang mga ang nasa sirkulo niya. Second layer of official, patay na rin. Third layer of official, yan yung natira ngayon. Sino bang bansa ang patay na ang presidente at nanalo pa sa gera? Patay na nga eh. Wala na. Talo na ang Iran noong first day pa lamang sa bombing dahil patay na ang kanilang Diyos. Ngayon yung mga nagsasabi diyan ng mga vlogger na talo na daw ang Amerika. Hindi, matagal nang nanalo ang Amerika noong first day pa. Talo na ang Iran. Yung sa Iran ngayon ay paano-ano na lang yan eh. Parang pugita na naglalakad yan na pugita na walang ulo. Parang ganun-ganun yung galamay ng pugita, wala ng ulo. Kasi wala nang si Khamenei, di ba? Mga kababayan. Ayan ang katotohanan yan eh. Kapag wala na ang leader, wala na yan dapat. Ang doktrina kasi nila na mosaic doctrine na kahit corporal ka lang, kahit private, kahit sarento, ay pagpatuloy mo ang iyong gira. Napakatarantado naman na doktrina yan. Di ba? Wala yan sa doktrina ng sundalo eh. Kapag namatay ang general nyo, tapos na kayo, sumurindir na kayo. Wala na kayong commander sa inyong sa inyong batalyon, sa inyong rehimen. Kaya kapag nawala yung mga official, kailangan talaga susurindir na lang yung sundalo. Wala ka ng direktiba eh, hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo eh. Baka magkasala ka pa sa magkasala ka pa sa batas ng militar. Kaya ito, pakinggan natin si Pete Hegseth sa kanyang latest comment about sa gera ngayon sa Iran.
Ask Khamenei about that. The new Iranian regime should know that by now. This new regime, because regime
So
change
meron
has
nga ang new
occurred,
regime. Yan yung
should be
kausap
wiser
nila
than
ngayon
the last.
yung kadil ng Amerika. At ang regime na ito ay more wiser than the last regime. Ito, pakinggan natin.
President Trump will make a deal he is willing. And the terms of the deal are known to them.
President Trump will make a deal he is willing. And the terms of the deal are known to them. If Iran is not willing, then the United
More
States War
intensity.
Department will
Huwag nyo lang
continue
hintayin yan,
with
IRGC.
even
Sumuko na
more
kayo.
intensity.
Wala kayong magawa. Amerika yan eh. NBA yan eh. Kayo legal lang kayo ng barangay na basketball. Anong panama nyo kahit PBA pa kayo na basketball player, wala pa rin kayong panalo sa isang NBA. Yan ang katotohanan yan. Very advanced ang American military. Kaya kung gera, ay wag na. Wag na. Kaya nga si Maduro, tama yung ginawa ni Maduro na sumuko siya kaagad para wala nang madamay pa. Ayun, meron palang talagang mga bagong gamit ang Amerika ngayon eh. Yung parang sa Men in Black, na kapag gaganyanan ka ng flashlight, palimutan mo lahat ang nakita mo. Totoo pala yan, ginamit na yan kay Maduro. Yung mga tao doon na naroon na nakakita sa Special Forces na pumasok, yung Delta Force, ay ginamit daw yun, ginanyan yung flashlight sa mga mukha. Pag alis ng Delta Force, wala na silang maalala kung anong nakita nila. Grabe na pagka-advance. At yan ay gagamitin ng Marines dito sa pag-atake ngayon. sa tinatawag na card invasion sa isla ng Iran. Gagamitin yung technology na yun, lahat ng makakita sa kanila. Flashlightan lang yung muka, malimutan mo na lahat. Grabe, pati pangalan mo. Pati asawa, lula mo, lolo't lula mo, nanay, wala ka nang uwian, nakalimutan mo eh. Pero temporary lang yon, mga after 10 minutes, after 5 to 10 minutes, babalik din yung memory mo. Parang maano siya, yung memory mo, parang matigil, hindi mag-function yung brain. Sobra, alien technology talaga, alien.
As far as President Trump and boots on the ground, I don't understand why the base, which they
As
have
far
already,
as
they understand
President Trump and boots on the ground, I don't understand why the base, which they have already, they understand, wouldn't have faith in his ability to execute on this. Look at his track record of pursuing peace through strength, America first outcomes. What he's simply saying, and it's exactly true, and I've said from this podium too, we're not going to foreclose any option.
Kaya so hindi naman pala sinara ni Trump talaga ang ano eh. Welcome pa rin si Trump para sa mga
what you
deal.
are not willing to do.
Yang tigas-tigas talaga ng ulo ng mga IRGC na to eh. Alam nila na wala na yung kanilang mga leader, general, kaya pala iba na yung spokesperson ng IRGC. Di ba, bagong muka kasi nadido na rin yung isa. Kaya ano pang ipinaglaban nila? Wala na yung kanilang Diyos, yung kanilang Supremo, wala na. Eh kung manalo sila sa pagkipaglaban, sinong magbigay sa kanila ng pabuya? Di ba? Sinong magbigay ng reward? Wala na eh. Pati yung anak na Mudstaba Bakla, Bading Kamini, wala na rin eh.
to include boots on the ground. Our adversary right now thinks there are 15 different ways we can come at them with boots on the ground.
To include boots on the ground. Our adversary right now thinks there are 15 different ways we could come at them with boots on the ground. And guess what? There are.
That was Pentagon Chief Pete Hegseth today, warning the U.S. will keep up the airstrikes, will keep up the bombing, possibly even boots on the ground, because the
Ayan,
U.S.
so
is in
narinig
it
nyo,
to win it. And now,
B-52
for the
bomber.
first time, B-52 bombers
libre daw na
freely
umiikot-ikot.
flying over Iran.
So ibig sabihin yan, meron kasing dala yan na napakaraming Bombay. Ang B-52 bomber, yan yung fortress in the sky. Merong dala na 2,000 missiles yan. 2,000 lahat ang lulan yan kasi napakalaki na aeroplano niyan. At kapag naghulog ng bomba ang B-52s, isang syudad ay pulbos sa isang B-52 lang. Kaya yan, umiikot-ikot lang pala eh. So ibig sabihin, hindi natatakot. Ang laki-laki kasi ng B-52 na aeroplano, pwedeng matamaan yan ng mga missile eh. Pero bakit paikot-ikot na lang siya? Ibig sabihin, wala na talagang armas ang Iran na pwedeng i-shoot down sa B-52, mga kababayan. Okay, patuloy tayo.
Iran reportedly is now prepared to end the war so long as there are U.S. guarantees against further attacks. This is after. Plus, Iran reportedly is now prepared to end the war so long as there are U.S. guarantees against further attacks. This is after the U.S. bombed Isfahan, reportedly home to much of Iran's missiles and uranium stockpile. 2,000-pound bunker buster bombs dropped on Isfahan, massive blasts and mushroom clouds seen, stocks closing up, oil
Ayun, so
down,
narinig
Iran
niyo yung
tensions
kanina,
easing.
handa
What's going to
na ang
happen
Iran
next? Let's bring in
na
U.S. Army
susurrender
veteran
basta
Captain
bigyan sila
GOP
ng
Congressman Greg Stubbe. It's great
seguridad
to see you,
ng
Captain.
Amerika. Ating nga ibalik kung atin pa yun maano ha. Pakinggan nyo mga ka-Golden Boy dito.
Drop it in the water and say, oh, it's unsafe. It's not like you're taking out an army or you're taking out a country. They can drop it. Drop it in the water and say, oh, it's unsafe. It's not like you're taking out an army or you're taking out a country or they can drop it.
Nawala tayo.
Donald Trump ang desisyon ng France na
And that in boxing, never lead with your face.
Better ways than a raid, but no one should ever doubt that in front of you for that. So that's why you throw flashbangs in a room. This is a directed energy flashbang to blow everybody's mind and hopefully get our guys in and safely back out.
Yeah, I learned that in boxing.
That's exactly where it is.
So ito,
to be able to ensure that there's security and safety in the region.
Bombs dropped on Isfahan, massive blasts and mushroom clouds seen. and boots on the ground because the U.S. is in it to win it. And now, for the first time, B-52
Ayan, so
bombers
Iran is
freely
preparing
flying
to end
over
the war.
Iran. Plus,
So, ibig sabihin,
Iran
susunod din
reportedly
sila.
is now prepared to end
Basta
the
daw
war
ay
so long as
bibigyan
there
sila
are U.S.
ng
guarantees
seguridad
against
na
further
hindi sila
attacks.
pagbabarilin, di ba? Hindi sila papatayin. Kasi yun naman ang iniisip nila. Kasi kung sila yung makakita ng Amerikano, pinapatayin nila eh. So, ito na. After nakita nila anong kalakas ang Amerika kahapon sa pagbomba sa kanilang malaking tunnel sa Ispahan, ay naisipan na pala ng Iran ngayon na tapos na ang gera. Ibig sabihin, susurrender sila basta bigyan ng seguridad. So, yan yung sinabi dito eh. Okay, patuloy tayo. Dito tayo.
Better case scenario is we get a tip. You know, and either Mossad or the CIA turn somebody or buy somebody and they tell us exactly where it is and maybe even bring it out for us. You know, better case
Ito, nakita
scenario
nyo to,
is we
itong mga
get
to.
a tip.
Ito
You
yung
know, and either Mossad or the
Uranium
CIA
Enrichment
turn
Laboratory
somebody or buy
ng
somebody
Iran
and they
sa
tell us
Ispahan.
exactly
Ito.
where it is and maybe
Kasi ang
even bring
pagkakamali
it
ng
out for
Iran,
us. You know, there's a
piniplex nila to eh, pinapakita nila noon na meron silang napakalaging laboratory somewhere in Iran. Pinapakita nila yan, ang dami-dami ng mga ng mga uranium. Bawat isa niyan ay nasa 60% pa yan para makomplete na magiging nuclear bomb. Kaya nakita ng Amerika dahil gumagawa sila ng video na pinapakita nila eh, ginugulat nilang Amerika eh. Para bang isang diwindi na ginugulat ng diwindi ang Capri. Parang ganun eh. Capri ang Amerika, malaki. Tapos diwindi yung ginugulat niya ang Capri, hindi mangyari yun. Kahit ano pang video na ipapakita. Kaya tuloy, pinaghanap ng Amerika kung saan to na laboratory. At natamaan kahapon. Ayan o. Ayan o, ito yung mga scientist ng Iran
I think
na
there
gumagawa
are
ng
better ways than a raid, but no one should ever doubt that if it
nuclear
comes
bomb
down
dyan
to
sa
it,
Ispahan.
President Trump's going to
Ayan o.
get that job done.
Yeah, I think the raid, obviously, you're right, is
Discombobulator, because I hadn't heard anything in that much detail since Halperin said it made everybody yak.
You know, there's a lot of directed
is the last option. What have you heard about the discombobulator? Because I hadn't heard anything in that much detail since Halperin said it made everybody yak.
You know, there's a lot of directed energy weapons that we've had for a while, and we've tested them. There's some that can make you feel
Ayun.
heat. You know, there's sound waves that can make you just freak out and discombobulate you. What exactly they're using and what was used in Venezuela has not been publicly announced. It's just one of those things that we have that makes it a big advantage, because when you are
Ayan,
going
so
to a
yun yung
place where the
sinabi ko
enemy
na
knows where you're
gagamitan
coming,
nila. Flashbang
you don't want
palang
to lead
tawag
with your
doon.
face. You know, that's a
Na
cardinal rule
kailangan,
of door
kapag
kicking
umalis ka sa lugar,
operations,
eh,
to have something
walang
in front of you for that.
nakaalala
That's
o
why you
walang
throw
nakamukha
flashbangs
sa iyo.
in a
So
room.
gagamit sila ng flashbang ang tawag. Parang may sasabog na flash. And then kapag tamaan ka, makalimutan mo lahat na pagagaling, parang sa Men in Black, no? Sa Men in Black the movie. Okay, so tapusin natin ang balitang to. Courtesy ng Fox News.
A directed energy flashbang to blow everybody's mind and hopefully get our guys in and safely back out.
Learned that in boxing. Never lead with your face.
Ayun.
The Iranian regime, what's left of it,
This is a directed energy flashbang to blow everybody's mind and hopefully get our guys in and safely back out.
Yeah, I learned that in boxing. Never lead with your face, Jim. The Iranian regime, what's left of it, do you think they are capable of withstanding another 2-week aerial pounding, or will it take some sort of lightning-fast ground operation on Karg, on an island, on the Strait, to really force their hand?
I think leverage is needed. You know, we've bombed so much that we either need to turn up the volume on what we're bombing, turn it to 11 on the targets, or to do something that causes them potentially more damage. Their economy is a shambles. And without the
Ayun,
revenue
sabi
they're
ni
getting
Trump,
from oil out of
salamat,
Carg
amin na tong
Island, they're toast.
oil nyo
So
sa Carg
whether you
Island.
go and seize it or whether
Kaya
you just
liberates
blockade
ang
and
sabi
say
ng
any
general
ship that tanks up
ay
at Carg Island,
we
thank
should
you
have
for
a
that, we'll
liberate
take your oil, as
first.
President
So
Trump mentioned.
liberate, kailangan bumbahin yung mga kung ano yung mga importante para manghihina talaga ang Iran. Wala na silang kita kasi ang Carg kukunin ni Trump. At salamat sa di ba? Sa deposito na langis sa Carg Island. Paano pa nila mabawi yung kay Trump? Si Trump pa, di ba? Nangyari ngayon sa Venezuela, ang oil ng Venezuela ay sa Amerika na eh. Kung bibili ka sa Venezuela, ay bibili ka kay Trump. Doon kay Rubio. Di ba? Kaya sinabi nga ni Trump na kayong mga taga-NATO diyan, lalo na ang UK, France, at yung isa pa, ay pumunta kayo ng Carg at tingnan natin kung hindi kayo bumbahin ng doon, ng IRGC. Pero kung kayo yung mga duwag, punta kayo sa akin, punta kay Trump, bibili kayo kay Trump. Sabi ni Trump, marami kaming oil sa United States kasi pati Venezuelan oil ay narito na sa amin. Ganon ka matalino si Trump, mga kababayan. Kung elementary pa yan, si Trump ay grade 6 na. At itong Iran ay nasa grade 2. Yan ang comparison niyan eh. Okay, so tapos na ang ating balita na tungkol dito sa itong latest sa Iran na ayon sa balita ngayon ay ang update, ang pinakabuod ay napag-isipan na ng Iran na susurinder sila. Tapos na daw ang gira eh, sabi kanina. Tapos na ang gira. Huwag na kayong mambomba, tapos na. Bigyan nyo lang kami ng seguridad na mabubuhay kami. At yung sinabi ni Trump na nabigyan sila ng ng special treatment na kapag susurinder sila, hindi sila ikukulong. Surrender lang. Hindi sila ikukulong ni Trump. Napakagandang kondisyon yan eh. Napakagandang kondisyon. Susurinder ka, hindi ka makulong. Napakaganda eh. Bakit ayaw nilang sumurinder talaga? Grabe naman ang mga utak yan. Sobrang doctrinate kasi yan eh. Kasi dinig ko nung maliliit pa yan, yung mga bata na yan, na nagiging sundalo na ngayon ng IRGC, 7 years old pa daw ay nilalagay yan sa isang kwarto, and then merong mikropono doon sa loob. Palagi daw yan nagdoctrinate. Palagi nagsasabi ng kung anong tama, pero yun pala mali. Diba? Halimbawa, yung sinasabi sa microphone na ako si Ali Khamenei, ako ang Diyos nyo, sundin nyo ako. Ang hindi susunod sa akin, malintikan. So ulit-ulitin yan, ibig sabihin, paglaki ng mga bata na yan, loyal na loyal yan kay Khamenei. Kay Ali Khamenei, yung matandang demonyo na tinapos ng isang arkanghel, di ba? Tinapos ni Archangel Michael ang demonyo. Okay, ako magpaalam na. Pag-i-comment na lang sa ating comment section, totoo bang tapos na talaga ang gera? Totoo bang susurinder na tong mga Iranian na to na matigas na ulo? Paki-comment sa ating comment section. Ako'y magpapaalam na maraming salamat sa lahat. Love and peace, not war.